I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you. Save me too. Yeah, I need.
Yes, Buttercup? I'm making something to drink. Is that okay with you? What's your finger? What's your finger? Is that okay with you? Is that okay? Good morning, guys. So, I have a lot to do. I hate the fact that the wording on here is set up for your left hand. Like, you have to hold the mug in the left hand to see that I want to give you guys kisses. Well, not if you're a man. If you're a man, no. I'm not giving you no kisses. No, that's inappropriate. But anyways, I have to clean this house today. As you guys can see, it is a mess. There, over there, in my kitchen, it's a mess. I feel so much better today. I was able to pay off some bills that were like slowly piling up, and I was like, why not? So I went ahead and pay off some bills, and I feel so much better. Don't you guys feel better when you pay off stuff that, you know, it's been stressing you out? It's such a good feeling when you pay off, you know, stuff. Oh, such a good. This year we have several items that will be paid down. I'm sorry, not paid down, paid off. So it will be taken out of our budget altogether. Woohoo! I'm excited. I'm excited. I don't know about you guys, but I'm excited. And then hubby got the phone call. Well, hubby got what he wanted to hear yesterday in regards to, you know, what I told you guys, the big surprise that's coming. It's not really a surprise. It's just something that I have to tell you guys, but I have to wait, you know, because everything doesn't go into effect until the end of February. So we'll still have to wait. I wish I could tell you guys, and I want to tell you guys so bad, but I still have to wait because I don't want to come back on here and be like, you know, more sad stories and stuff like that. No, I want everything to be going as planned. Yes, good morning. Good morning. What happened? Your arm? No, we're not showing that, okay? We're not sharing that with the sunshine. She wants to show me her arm, but unless you've been following me on Instagram, I shared something that happened to Maddie over there. But until, it's just something that I'm not going to be sharing on YouTube at the request of her dad not to. So I can't really share with you guys. But everything else on a schedule. I'm going to go clean up the house and tend to this little one because she needs something. And then I'll get back on here. This is Maddie's doing. She took the whole bread out to feed herself. So, yeah, I have to put that back in.
To change, familiar was the sound of your voice as I continue to walk on by. It has been a year and now I'm living on the line. It has been a year and now I'm thinking that I'm better off right here without you. That I'm better off right here without you. That I'm better off right here without you. Forgetful, I admit that I've lost my place. My memory's gone, erased. Like a scratch, only the scar remains. For we are better apart. Distant like the stars above. There's no love I cannot see. And in a moment, that's when I knew I'm better off right here without you. That I'm better off right here without you. That I'm better off right here without you. I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found.
Okay, well, that's sitting and marinating on the table because it's kind of sticky because that's where Maddie eats. I wanted to just hop on here and say I will be implementing subscriber of the day, which is like really fun and interesting because I want to incorporate you guys more into my videos. So what it entails is that I will go through my comment section and whoever is the most active for that week, because I will be consistently uploading every single day because it's so much easier from my phone. So what I'm going to do is go through, and whoever is the most active subscriber, you will be chosen for the next week to be the subscriber of the day. So I don't know when I'm going to put it in, whether it be Monday, Tuesday, whatever. I'm going to do a poll, and you guys can tell me, you know, when you guys are most active on here, whether it be Monday, weekend, whatever. But that's what I'm going to be doing. So I just wanted to stop. So let me get back to cleaning.
But you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air, like a blazing flare. Don't stare, cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares too. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you
stop because I have to go pick up the kids. And I will pick up back where I left off tomorrow, because this vlog is already so long. So tune in tomorrow to see the rest of this video if you're into cleaning. If not, then maybe Wednesday will be tomorrow is Wednesday. Maybe Thursday will be a better day for you guys. Anyways, guys, this is it for this vlog. Stay tuned. At the end I will put a clip of the organization that I did in Maddie's room. And I love you guys, and as always, thank you so much for your support. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and become a sunshine. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Say something. I redid Madison's dresser. This is just an area in her room. This is her dresser. I got it from IKEA last year. And then on the top, this is belonged to baby A, and that baby, I don't know who that baby is. I haven't been able to put a picture of Maddie because I just feel like it's not hers, but I have it in here. And then we have the little princess, and this is her little bath station where I have, this is almost out, but we have all her lotions, her body wash, her wipes, her money jar over there, her first and second birthday cards, her diapers, and then down here I redid this drawer. This is her pajama, and I saw someone folded their clothes like this, and I was like, that is genius. So that's her pajama, and then in here is just sentimental, but it's not really hers. This belonged to baby A. I don't know if you guys remember. Maddie wore it and stained it, and I'm so tempted to throw it out, but just because it's special, it's the first thing we ever bought for baby A. So I'm keeping that. This belongs to the twins. There's two of them, but I don't know where the other one is. These two shirts belong to the twins. When we had Destiny, we made two shirts for them. This is, they were official big brothers. This is Destiny, and she gave it to Madison, which is her first American Girl t-shirt. And then these are Maddie's swimsuit. They're probably too small. And then her little monkey thingy. And then in this drawer here, we have her underwear, and then we have her washcloths, her bloomers for her dresses. These are leg warmers, yeah. And then these are her current socks that fits. We have her church socks under here, church socks and stockings for church. These are just loose socks that's missing a pair, probably in the wash. And these are socks that are much smaller, but she still fits them. So they're there. And then this drawer down here just have all her blankets. And then over here we have all her summer shorts. So we have all of her summer shorts right here. And then in this drawer we have all of her onesies that I put under her clothes when it's cold. We have all of her skirts and tutus. We have her pants, and then we have her leggings, and these are her jeans. Someone was in here. That's not how I had it. That's her jeans. And then down here is just long sleeve onesies that we no longer will be repurchasing. This is her 1-year-old shirt when we had her first birthday. And then these, once she grows out of them, will not be repurchasing these. These are two dresses that her grandmother made for Destiny, but she weren't able to wear them for whatever reason. They're there. And then this is her snow pants. And yeah, that's it. So that's Miss Maddie. I just wanted to show you guys. And I have big plans for this wall. Either this wall or this wall, to do an accent wall. And then I have to paint her bed. But yeah.